Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about Runaway by Bon Jovi. I'm going to show you how the main parts are played and analyze a little bit for you to get an understanding how composing on guitar works. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. For those among you who don't know this song, an all-time classic, I'm going to play the first part for you, and those parts are going to show you in detail, and these parts are mainly going through the whole song. You just need to put in the three parts at a certain spot. So let's get started. And that's it. So these are the main parts. I mean, they're really simple to play, but the speed is quite fast. I think it's 150 BPM, and you really have to be precise. And the backing track is from Guitar Pro. If you want to get the backing track, it's from there, or you just play with the original, because this was the original key in A minor. And now we're going to check out what we need to know to play this song really cool. One thing, it has to be precise. I mean, I put on the metronome on the backing track to really have a grade to be real precise, because I don't play this song daily. I learned it for a cover bands, but as I said, I don't really play this song daily. So now let's get started and check out the different parts. Okay, guys, as I already said, that the song is in A minor, and we're playing the really regular power chords. Is nothing wild, but the thing is, you really need to get those kicks down and be really precise. So it starts with a keyboard intro, and then 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So you switch between A5 and G5, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, and the open string comes on four ends. 1 2 3 2 3 4 1 2 3 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then comes these flageolets here on the G and the B string, and yeah, I don't have a whammy bar here. You can make some stuff with a whammy bar. And the second time is this one here. And this one comes, which honestly I never did in my life. I know everybody's doing that one, but you just take the back or the side of the pick and just move down here. But for some reason, which I cannot explain, I never used it, and I never felt comfortable with this technique. Yeah, but that's the way how it's done. So that's the beginning, and that's these kicks, okay? And then it starts, and in this case, then the first chord is not short, it's long, and that's a way to open up a tune. First you play a chord short, and then you open up the tune with the same chord, but another rhythm variation. In this case, it's just letter 3 4 1 2 3, and then it's short again. Then it goes to E5, and then again to G5, but on 2 and. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then comes a little riff. So it goes like this. It's really simple. Then it goes here in the 5th fret and you play A minor 7. It's really simple. The problem is honestly the speed, because it's really fast and you have to be precise and really count. So let's do the whole thing now from the beginning that you can see. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Oh, I completely forgot the middle part. Then it comes this. And then goes 3 to E5. Then 0 to F5. 2 to G. And then it starts. Sorry guys, I completely forgot that one. So, but here's the same, you really have to just be really precise. I'll show you. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. I forgot a long one. Now it starts. 2, 3, 4. I played it. Then comes the middle part. It's called pre-chorus. And here, I really like this part, and then suddenly it starts. So, the song is called Runaway, and if you want to display running in music, I would suggest this here. So, after this part, and then comes the. So, palm muted, open E string, palm muted G, and then comes this riff. Palm muted A string, and here A5, and then you make this rotation here with the hand. So, first time you play 2 notes here, and then always 3. Then the same thing on D5 here in the 5th fret. And then goes the C5. And then comes again this one here, which I'll never do. And then we enter the refrain. So let's play the whole part now and go through the whole thing. Played long. Now it goes to E5. Now we're starting. And now we go into the refrain. This goes like this. A5. And then again this runaway thing. As I said, well, if you want to display running with music, will be also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comes a single note line, or you can start with a C5. Or just single notes. And then open A string and then goes to G5 and then the refrain is finished. So the whole thing slowly. She's a little runaway. That will be the refrain. Let's do it together with the music. And then the whole thing starts all over again. As I said, the song is quite simple to play, but I really like these things here with to display running, and also to, you know, the opening phrase. You start with short chords, but then make long chords to push the song to a next level, and that's a really good method to open up a song. And in this case, the speed is also essential. 150 BPM is quite fast. You really have to be precise here, but the chords are really simple, and each figure is really simple, really classic. It's not something, well, it's from the late 80s, I think. So at that time, that was the latest material, but it's, you know, it's a classic rock thing. But let's play now the whole thing now again till the chorus is finished, that you can see again. So one, two, three, four. And so on it goes. As I said, the parts are really simple. What I find hard, honestly, is to memorize all parts because they're so similar. That's one of the, for me, one of the biggest challenges for me in this tune. Yo guys, that was Runaway by Bon Jovi. I wrote down the main parts which I just showed as tabs, and you just check out the song and figure out where you put in the different parts, or you download the full version of this. I found it on Guitar Pro. It's really cool software, and also the backing track is from there, or you play the whole thing with the original track. Yeah. One more to say, if you love my channel, please share it to all your guitar friends, please subscribe, please also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. There's a lot of other material there for all guitar lovers, of you guys who want to learn guitar, or who are serious about learning guitar, not just want to go for the flashy stuff, you know. So that will be cool, and we see us there and discuss things more in detail. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye for today.